Welcome back to Next Ride Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting cars in the performance compact segment, the 2025 Audi RS3. Audi has taken everything we've loved about the RS lineup and turned it up a notch. So, let's see what makes this car so special. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The RS3 maintains its bold, aggressive styling, but with a sharper and more aerodynamic edge. Up front, the signature single-frame grille now features a honeycomb pattern, flanked by updated matrix LED headlights that give it a menacing glare. The wider front track and flared wheel arches hint at the performance potential under the hood. This year, Audi offers new 19-inch wheels and optional carbon ceramic brakes for those who want to push this car to its limits. Around back, the RS-specific oval exhaust tips and aggressive diffuser remind you that this isn't just any Audi A3. And with new color options like Dew Silver Metallic and Python Yellow, you're definitely turning heads. But let's talk about the heart of the RS3. It's powered by Audi's iconic 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine. This masterpiece delivers 401 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. With quattro all-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the RS3 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. And yes, it still sounds as intoxicating as ever, thanks to that unique 5-cylinder growl. The real magic happens when you put it in dynamic mode. The torque splitter in the rear axle can send up to 100% of power to the outside wheel, giving the RS3 an almost rear-wheel drive feel in corners. Audi calls it the RS Torque Rear Mode. It's a drift mode in disguise, and it's an absolute blast on a track or an open road. Inside, Audi's attention to detail shines. You get a fully customizable 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with RS-specific displays, showing everything from G-forces to lap times. The Nappa leather RS seats are both supportive and luxurious, while the Alcantara accents and contrast stitching elevate the cabin. Plus, with the updated MMI system, you've got seamless navigation, smartphone integration, and a 15-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. What really sets the 2025 RS3 apart is its versatility. It's just as comfortable cruising on the highway as it is tearing up a track. Adaptive dampers and an improved suspension setup strike the perfect balance between daily drivability and outright performance. And with a starting price of around $63,000, it's one of the most affordable ways to get supercar-level performance in a compact package. So, is the 2025 Audi RS3 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a die-hard performance enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a thrilling drive, the RS3 delivers in every way. Compact, powerful, and packed with tech, it's a car that's as fun as it is practical. That's it for today's episode of Next Ride Review. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know, would you choose the RS3 over its rivals? Until next time, keep exploring, keep driving, and we'll see you on the next ride.